Hey Nina, do you still have the hiccups? Yeah, you do. Say hello. Oh, hiccup. Oh goodness. When are the hiccups gonna end? Hey Nina, say hello to the camera. Hey, exactly. Good job. Let's see what you're wearing. Nina's wearing her kimono and a new hat. This is a new hat for Nina. What do you think, Nina? Do you like your new hat? With the little swirls? The white hat? It's replaced your blue hat. Oh, yeah. You kind of like it. I think you like it. Okay, let's take a look at your little booties. Yeah, you got those from Heidi. Yeah, you're going to meet Heidi sometime soon. Look at that. It's got a little traction. Say hello one more time, Nina, because I'm going to turn this off. Oh, that's Daddy. Come on. One big hello. What do you think? Oh, now she's rocking. Oh. There's the hello. Good job, Nina. Nice. Okay. Alright, Nina, now we gotta go change your diaper. Even though I just changed it. But you love to do that. Dirty it right after I change it. You don't care.